This is my homework.
Making a date.
Hello.
Hi, Michelle. This is Al.
Hi, Al. How are you?
Fine, thank you. I'm calling to see if you and Juanita are free this Thursday.
Why? What's happening this Thursday?
Well, if you and Juanita are free, I would like to invite you to dinner.
Oh, dinner? This Thursday? Well, I'm not free, but Juanita is.
That's too bad. I'm sure Bob will be sorry to hear that.
Oh, Bob will be there too?
Yes, of course.
Okay, let me check my schedule one more time.
Okay.
Hey, guess what? I am free that evening.
Super. And how about Juanita?
Yes, she seems to be free too.
Great. Can we meet at 7 p.m.?
Yes, where shall we meet?
How about KFC?
KFC?
I'm just joking. Actually, I'm making reservation at the Chateau de Me.
Isn't that an expensive French restaurant?
Yes, but I have a coupon. Eat 4, pay 2.
Oh, that's great.
So, can we meet there at 7 p.m.?
7 p.m. this Thursday. We will be there. Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.